Hey guys, I've spent the better part of the last few years treating crypto as a serious discipline, not trading on gut feeling, not chasing pumps, but systematically working through platforms. And the area that's been consuming most of my attention recently is AI-driven trading automation, algorithmic systems, self-executing bots, and arbitrage infrastructure. I've been going through all of it with a fairly critical eye. So today, I'll walk you through what a legitimate AI trading setup actually looks like when someone has built it properly, the real workflow, not the sales version. Okay, I'm launching it, and the first thing up is a token pair. And the range of options here is a direct consequence of the fact that this bot operates across 15 plus exchanges at the same time. That's what produces this kind of breadth.
Good. Switching to live mode right here. And now I need to add my receiving address. So I'm switching to my wallet, copying my SOL address, coming back and placing it into this field. Good. Next is capital allocation. This is just defining the working budget for this session. I'm setting mine at right around that figure. That's where I want it. Okay, next is risk level settings, and I want to be precise about what this actually does, because it's more nuanced than it looks. This setting determines the bot's tolerance for ambiguous opportunities, specifically how much uncertainty it's willing to accept before it decides a trade isn't worth executing. And the last thing to configure is Arbitrage Strategy, which is the operational methodology the AI is going to commit to for this session, the specific logic it applies when identifying and acting on pricing inefficiencies across exchanges. So everything looks solid moving forward. Funding screen is up. I've got a few different tokens on me right now, and I'm just going to choose one of those directly. The platform converts it to Solana automatically on their end, so picking what makes sense here. Okay, hitting start, and good, it's running. Dashboard shows me all the info, trades firing, win rate tracking, average spread updating, chart building in real time, and the layout is notably clean for something with this much happening underneath it. Now it's just, we let it run for a few minutes. Okay, so hitting stop right now, and this summary screen is essentially the full accounting of what just happened. Total runtime, every trade that executed, the strategy it ran throughout, win rate, and the final return with the platform's fee already subtracted from it. Okay, I'm pressing withdraw. Now we're just waiting on the payment to process. A few minutes and it'll land, and I want to use that time productively. So before I get into the experience side of this, I want to make sure the underlying mechanics are actually clear, because I find most people move past this part too quickly. What this bot is doing is monitoring the price of the same asset across all those exchanges simultaneously in real time without pause. And the moment it detects a discrepancy, the same coin priced lower on one exchange and higher on another, it executes both sides of that position almost instantaneously. The spread between those two prices, regardless of how thin it is, that's the return. And the reason this specifically requires AI is a timing problem. These windows are measured in fractions of a second, sometimes less. No manual process comes close to catching them at any kind of scale. The technology exists precisely to solve that constraint. That's the whole value of the system.
And so here's how I want to close this out, with something concrete rather than vague. I came into this platform with the same process I apply to everything: measured entry, early withdrawal tests, expended observation before touching the allocation size. Over the course of several weeks, I've run more than 30 deliberate sessions on it, worked across the full range of supported tokens, and rotated through different configurations intentionally each time. Because what I'm actually evaluating is how the system behaves when conditions change on it, not how it performs when everything is optimized in its favor. And the answer, consistently, has been correctly. Every withdrawal is cleared without friction, every session is tracked the way it should, not once has anything surfaced that gave me a reason to reconsider what I was looking at. And that's the result of a specific process applied over a real period of time. If you want to see what your own process produces, link is in the description and pinned in comments. And that's everything I've got on this one. Appreciate you watching.